Hi guys, welcome to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing the most requested video on Instagram, and that is what are my hair care products and what is my hair care routine. So my hair care routine, basically, like, the steps keeps on changing, even the products here and there at times. But let me know if you guys want a detailed hair care routine video, then I will share it with you guys. But for today's video, I'm just going to be sharing all the products that have worked for me over the past years, months, and these are like my miracle go-to products when I just need that hair repair sort of a moment and to keep my hair consistent as well. So if you have dry, frizzy, colored, thin, flimsy hair, and if you are looking for a solution, then these are all of my favorite products. And now, without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, let's start with hair oils first, and the first one that I have is this Avimi Herbal Kesho Palav hair oil. Now this claims to reduce hair fall and promote hair growth, and it does exactly what it claims. I've been using this hair oil for almost a year and a half, and I have seen a visible difference. Not that I've not tried multiple hair oils in the middle, but this one has worked really well. And this is like a combo offer of all Ayurvedic products. You have castor oil, you have amla, you have bhringraj. This is like a combo that you get. Now this is a little bit expensive when you look at it. It is like 100 ml for 520 rupees, but it totally works. This next hair oil is genuinely expensive. There is no other way to describe it, and that is the Indie Wild Chumpy hair oil. So I haven't been regular at oiling my hair for the past 3 months, and this is the only hair oil that I've been using once a week, and it has made difference. Like I have seen less hair fall, because post engagement my hair was like here and there. It was damaged so badly. But apart from that, I have seen hair growth as well, because I did chop off my hair post my engagement, and I have seen my hair grow. And most importantly, this oil is not super greasy and chip like other oils are, and the fragrance point of view is also really fresh and exotic, so I really like. And it is not super overpowering. Apart from that, I love the dispenser. It is very easy to use. Okay, now on to shampoos and conditioners, and I'm not kidding, I have had my fair share of trying a lot of shampoos and conditioners, but I always make sure that I try it as a duo because it just works for my hair that way. So the first top contender has to be the L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture range. The shampoo and the conditioner, mom and I have been loving it for the longest time. I have been using it almost for a year and a half, and it just helps with your dehydrated, frizzy, dry, rough hair, and I love the results. The next combo is again from L'Oreal, and that is the Hyaluron Pure range. Now I was one of the creators that got to try this product before it was launched, and I'm not kidding, I fell in love. So basically, since my hair is thin and flimsy, it gets oily within a day of washing it, and it just gets super flat from the top. And this shampoo helps you with 72-hour oil control for your scalp, and it does treat your dry, dehydrated, rough hair for the bottom, and that is like a all-in-one product. So I know for a fact that this is going to be my go-to shampoo for the summer season, because there's like a lot of humidity, sweat, and everything that is going to go on. So this, I'm just counting on this shampoo conditioner. My hair care changes with the weather, and for the monsoons I really prefer the Malic Bond Repair Complex shampoo and conditioner. The conditioner not so much, because I haven't really seen like a lot of difference, but the shampoo really works. It is going to, like, the humidity, the high extreme humidity that you get in Mumbai, it is going to help you tone down the frizz and make your hair just manageable and soft. The next combo that I have is again from L'Oreal, and I promise this is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting anything out of it. These are just a few products that I've tried over the period and I've loved it. So this is the Absolute Repair range, and you get a hair mask and the shampoo. Both of them work so well. I have seen very beautiful results, and I would love to be consistent with it, but I just get this chull of trying new products, तो मेरे को shampoo बदलना होता है, hair conditioner बदलना होता है, सब कुछ. So but whenever I feel like, you know what, this is not working for me, I just go back to these shampoos, and that is what I do. Okay, I'm done with the shampoo and conditioner duo. Now this just one single shampoo is from Schwarzkopf, and this is a purple shampoo. If you have bleached your hair, I bleached my hair and my hair have not looked prettier. Like, I just wash my hair with this purple shampoo every 2 weeks, and it just balances off the yellow tone in my color, and it just looks very, very pretty. Although your hands get stained and everything, that is like a different story, but it just washes off really quickly, so usme koi problem nahi hai. But even after 6 to 7 months of after bleaching my hair, I love how my hair color is looking, and that is all thanks to the purple shampoo. Okay, I'm done with shampoo and conditioner duos, and I recently found out this new miracle product, and that is the Be Blunt Lumiere Water. I shared it on my Instagram, and this just basically revives your dull, dry hair instantly. This is like a liquid that you use after shampooing your hair. You can skip your conditioner if you're using this. All you have to do is just make sure that your hair is coated very well with the liquid, and that is it. And you are going to get super shiny, soft hair after hair wash. And when I say shiny, the shine, the gloss is literally of like the TV ads that you see. मतलब अगर मैं ऐसे ऐसे कर दूँ तो you're going to see that shine. I absolutely love this product. मतलब if you have screwed up your hair really bad, एकदम dry से बेकार से हो गए हैं, then this is just one product that you can try. Now on to hair masks. So if you guys have followed me for a while, you guys know that I'm a total fan of the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Steam Mask. Now you just apply the hair mask on your root and you wear the heating cap, and that is it. This is a literal spa in one pouch. That is all you need. No matter how frizzy, dry, rough my hair have become, I use this one product and my hair is back to being shiny, soft and frizz-free altogether, and I absolutely love it. It smells phenomenal and it just does the work so very nicely. मतलब this is my rescue, को बोलते हैं ना, क्या कहते हैं, just like revive your hair back. This is the one product that I go to every time that I've screwed up my hair really badly. Okay, so since I loved the L'Oreal hair mask, I also got the Be Blunt. So the hair mask is very, very similar and it does give you very similar results. So I've been using the frizz-free and straightening hair mask. Again, it is like a revival of your dry, frizzy, rough hair. You just need to try this. If you want to have like a spa day for your hair, this is just one product that is all you need. The next hair mask is again one of my most raved about hair masks, and that is the Dove 10-in-1 treatment repair hair mask. Now I use this post my shampoo and I use this before my hair wash as well. So before my hair wash, I just add a few drops of hair oil and whatever like essential oil that I want to add, and then I just go in with this hair mask, just mix everything together very well and just apply it for like an hour, and then just proceed with the regular hair wash. It is going to leave my hair feeling super soft, super shiny, bouncy, frizz free, and I love it. And the fragrance of the mask is also really nice, so it just feels like very fresh after the hair wash. Next, again, this is one of my shortcuts if I don't really have the time to oil my hair, and that is to use the Malic Bond Repair Complex by Minimalist. Again, this works so very well with your frizz control, adding shine, adding bounce, making your hair soft. It just works, you guys. I was very skeptical when I started using this, but I'm already on my second bottle and it's almost half done. So those were all the hair oils, hair masks, shampoos and conditioners that have helped to keep my hair health intact. But the most important product that has helped me regrow my hair is the Bontress Pro Hair Serum along with the Wishcare Hair Growth Serum. Now these two serums I've been using for almost a year, and I'm not kidding, I have seen a visible difference. And when I say this, I have not been consistent with using both the products. So matlab, ऐसे on and off journey है, but I have still seen a visible difference. I will insert a picture. I have not shared this with anyone, but it has worked extremely well. So the Bontress Pro serum, both of these products have Redensil. So the Bontress Pro, I just take 10 pumps all over my scalp, and the Wishcare one I just use again in the similar pattern. And for massaging, I have been using the Pro Touch LED wand. So it has a red light. I don't know if you can see, it has a red light and it also has a blue light. So the blue light is for dandruff and just smoothing your scalp in general, and the red light helps in hair growth. So this head massager and the two products have really helped change my hair growth game altogether. So this is it for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions about any particular product, and let me know if you have tried any of these products or do you want to try any of the given products. All the product links will be mentioned in the description. Also, there is the ultimate brand sale going on Amazon, so you can find all of these products on discounted rates. So if you are planning to get any of these, then you can go on Amazon, and I will see you guys in my next video super soon. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you.